Welcome back to another video. Today we have the US General. Yes, this is the brand new US General versus the Kobalt Toolbox. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. That's what missing in the Black Friday holiday deals, glitches that pop up. I'll leave you guys the link to these boxes down below in the description section of this video. Alright, similarities. They both have two drawers. They are just about the same size. And they do have hutches. This one has a hutch as well. 1/8 of an inch under 11 inches. 1/8 of an inch under 11 inches. In depth, about 6 inches. A little bit less than 6 inches. Yeah, a little bit less than 6 inches on the depth. So these are practically the same size. Another thing is that the paint, I think I see this a little bit more glossy. This one's a little bit more matte finish. Still glossy though. Still considered glossy. This is available at Harbor Freight. This is available at Lowe's. You can buy this online currently. I believe this one you can't buy it online. This is going to be on sale for the Black Friday for about $10. But this one is available as of now. Another thing, this one only comes in red, black, and blue. So there's only 3 colors available in that one. This one comes in all sorts of different colors, even in camo, I believe. Camo pink with white. This is a really nice. And camo red, green with brown or something like that. So there's just different colors, black, pink, all sorts of different colors for this one they do offer. Another thing that's different, they do offer the bottom part of this. The bottom part does have more drawers. I believe it has 3 drawers. And you can basically set it on top. So that's another plus about this one. The difference is from the looks of it, this one does have kind of like a 45 here. This one is just a straight square on the top. Another difference is that this one does not have a stop here in the middle. It goes all the way to the back and then it stops. This one, it stops just like a regular toolbox. So you would have to add something here so it'll stop it. Another thing is that these do come with liners. That's a big plus on this one. This one does not come in liners. As you guys do see, this is the tool liner. It basically fits over here. It's identical in size. I'll just leave the liner there. And again, you got US General there. You don't have any Kobalt. Kobalt is here at the bottom with some gray letters. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. US General right here. It does have black. This is aluminum finish here on these handles. All the drawers, guys. I want to put the drawers like so you guys will see them. So the drawers, you guys see the difference? Pulls out about 3 inches. This one about 3.5. So you get a little bit more. When you pull it out, you get a little bit more drawer on this side than this side. However, you guys notice the difference when I pulled them out. These do have ball bearing drawers. And it does have a nice big magnet there. It'll suck it back into. See? It sucks it back in. So really nice. This one. You see how rough is that? It does still have a magnet. But it is a little bit more rough. Bottom one. This one. Oh, that's really nice. That feels really nice. Another thing that I wanted to mention is this one does have rubber stops. That's the difference. The bottom, it does have rubber stops. Or rubber feet, however you want to call them, on the bottom. This one does not. Weight is just about the same. Weight capacity is just about the same on these. The sides, obviously, you do got the different angled 45-degree angle there. You got a 90-degree basically there. On the back, pretty much identical on the back. Let us know down in the comment section, which one would you buy? This one's completely brand new, just came out, not even available in some of the stores yet. That will be available in the Black Friday deals that they have at the Harbor Freight. This one is available now. I will be leaving the link down below in the description section of this video. However, this one does not come in white, so if there's a wife, a daughter, they might like the white and the pink. This one does not come in white and pink, so just keep that in mind. Like I said, I'll leave you guys the link down below, an affiliate link down below in the description section of this video, and no extra cost to you. So guys, let us know in the comment section, what do you guys think? Which one would you buy? Are you guys gonna buy this as a gift, or are you guys gonna buy this one as a gift, or gift it out, or keep it for yourself? What are you gonna store in there? I'm personally gonna store some knives. This one's a little bit beat up. Some knives, some drill bits. I'm gonna give this one to the wife, and she could use it. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and we'll see you guys on the next one.